Manufacturing planning is an important factor for increasing operational efficiency, reducing shop floor errors, and maximizing your overall engineering productivity. Manufacturing work instructions play a vital role in this process by providing the exact steps to the shop floor engineer. In many industries, government regulations must be strictly followed. Hence, it becomes even more important that the shop floor engineer follows all the right steps to make sure that the product is built or assembled correctly. This demonstration highlights the ease of collaboration between a manufacturing engineering using Teamcenter Manufacturing with EasyPlan and his company's supplier, who is a shop floor engineer working outside of EasyPlan. Harry is a manufacturing engineer at an aerospace company. He is responsible for authoring work instructions to assemble the wingtip of an airplane. He is authoring work instructions for an airplane that is currently under construction. Now, Harry would like to send this work instruction document to the shop floor engineer for review and comment. The shop floor engineer is a supplier who works outside of Harry's organization. Harry uploads this work instruction file to a project in Xcelerator share and adds Jenny, a shop floor engineer from the supplier, to this Xcelerator project.
Jenny is a shop floor engineer from a supplier who does not have access to EasyPlan. Jenny and her colleagues on the shop floor must get clear work instructions to perform the task of assembling the airplane wingtip. She will be reviewing the draft of the work instructions document generated from EasyPlan by Harry to ensure the document is ready for her team. She gets a notification from Xcelerator Share that Harry has shared something with her via the Xcelerator Share project. Jenny opens Xcelerator Share and sees the work instruction document. She downloads it and reviews the wingtip work instruction document step by step and adds a few comments. When she is finished with the review and all of her comments are added, she uploads this document to the Xcelerator Share project, where Harry will be notified of this update through Xcelerator Share notification.
Harry receives notification via Xcelerator Share of the suggested changes from Jenny to the work instruction document. He opens EasyPlan and selects the work instruction document and replaces it with the one that Jenny uploaded to Xcelerator Share. He can see the comments added to his document by Jenny. He agrees with Jenny's suggested changes and makes the revisions to the work instructions document. Harry then uploads this updated work instructions document to Xcelerator Share. Jenny is notified of the new updates.
Upon getting the notification, Jenny signs into Xcelerator Share web interface and sees the updated work instruction document. She downloads the document and reviews the updates. Sharing files through Xcelerator Share enables easy collaboration between different departments in an organization or with external supply chain partners or partner networks. It ensures an efficient and reliable way of collaborating with the extended enterprise by sharing data securely.